God's creatures got a place in the choir. Some sing low and some sing high, some sing out loud on the telephone wire. Some just clap their hands or paws or anything they got now. All God's creatures got a place in the choir. Some sing low and some sing high, some sing out loud on the telephone wire. Some just clap their hands or paws or anything they got now. The top where the little bird sings on the melodies and the high notes ringing and the hoot owl cries over everything and the blackbird disagrees.
Singing in the nighttime, singing in the day, and the little duck quacks and he's on his way. The otter hasn't got much to say and the porcupine talks to himself.
All God's creatures got a place in the choir. Some sing low and some sing high, some sing out loud on the telephone wire. Some just clap their hands or paws or anything they got now. Dogs and the cats, they take up the middle where the honeybee hums and the craigie fiddles, the donkey brays and the pony days, and the old grey badger sighs.
Listen to the bass is the one on the bottom where the bullfrog croaks and the hippopotamus moans and groans with the big to-do, and the old cow just goes blue.
All God's creatures got a place in the choir. Some sing low and some sing high, some sing out loud on the telephone wire. Some just clap their hands or paws or anything they got now. It's on a real song everywhere by the ox and the fox and the grizzly bear, the dopey alligator and the hog above, the sire weasel and the turtle dove. All God's creatures got a place in the choir. Some sing low and some sing high, some sing out loud on the telephone wire. Some just clap their hands or paws or anything they got now. All God's creatures got a place in the choir. Some sing low and some sing high, some sing out loud on the telephone wire. Some just clap their hands or paws or anything they got now. All God's creatures got a place in the choir. Some sing low and some sing high, some sing out loud on the telephone wire. Some just clap their hands or paws or anything they got now. All God's creatures got a place in the choir.